Head lice. Introduction. Through which of the following are head lice spread? Choose one of the following options. 1. Through the air as these insects fly. 2. Through dogs and cats as they are petted. 3. Through close person-to-person contact. Correct. Hair contact between two children can easily happen while they play. Can head lice be seen by the naked eye? Select yes or no. Correct. Adult head lice are the size of a sesame seed and can be seen by the naked eye when carefully examined. Where are head lice eggs commonly found? Choose one of the following options. 1. On hair behind the ears. 2. On hair near the back of the neck. 3. Within 1/4 inch, 6 millimeters of the roots of hair shafts. 4. All of the above. Correct. Will washing your head and hair on a daily basis with regular shampoo get rid of the head lice? Select yes or no. Correct. Treating a head lice infestation usually requires special medicated shampoos or hair creams. Does machine washing of fabrics kill head lice on the fabric? Select yes or no. Correct. Head lice live at a temperature close to the scalp temperature. Machine washing with a hot water cycle kills head lice. Water needs to be 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius or more. Thank you for using Explain.